Morning, guys. So we're gonna get some grub today. Actually, in the morning. It's morning time. We are, I don't know if you can tell by the vegetation, some monorail tracks on top of us, but we're in the Polynesian. We're gonna go to one of my favorite restaurants. It's actually Ohana, and we're meeting some very, very special friends of ours. Shouldn't even say friends, I should say brother and sister. But anyways, let's go. Let's walk through the main lobby. Check out some tikis. Now correct me if I'm wrong, but I do believe that is Maui. And we gotta make our way upstairs over there. So we are at Ohana waiting for our table. We're already all checked in, and we're sitting at the bar before 12 o'clock.
5 o'clock somewhere.
Yeah, it's 5 o'clock somewhere.
I've never done my hair highlighted.
Right? You'll follow me.
Thank you.
Have we ever been to Ohana before?
They have, we have.
Okay, so for the new ones, I do have a quick question for you. Do we remember what Ohana means?
Family?
Yes, perfect. Family. I know everyone panics and they're like, oh no, I was not ready for a quiz today. I'm going to go ahead and get you started with our pineapple coconut sticky bread.
Okay.
It's so good. It's one of my favorites. It's also one of Stitch's favorites, and he might try and steal it from you this morning, okay? Just be careful. So whereabouts are we visiting from?
Gainesville.
Oh, very nice.
Lilo. Well, we have Lilo, we have Stitch, we have Mickey.
Thank you.
Now you have some of the Hawaiian style bread didn't last, but
I think she'll come back.
Fruit. I'll go get you some more bread. Would you like coffee? Oh. Would anybody else care for coffee? Whoa.
All right. So what's in there?
Ham and sausage and eggs, biscuits. Most importantly, Mickey waffles.
Mickey waffles, Stitch waffles, tater
that's
tots.
what the other one is? Stitch waffles?
Yeah, these are Stitch waffles. Fresh fruits, coffee, juice. It's recording.
Oh, it's recording? Okay. It's Stitch. Dole Whip next time.
Dole Whip. Let me buy you a Dole Whip for the road. It's not even food. It's more of a drink. It's more of a...
Alright guys, so we just finished eating some lovely Ohana breakfast. Was it good?
Yes.
So, we're stuffed. It's family style, so it's all you can eat. All you care to enjoy is how they phrase it. Anything and everything that you want to eat or you want to eat more of, they basically bring it out. Something that's not on the menu that you can ask for is bacon. So we asked for some bacon. But yeah, everything was delicious. Everything was good. Last time we were here, the service wasn't so good. And we used to come here every single time that we've come to Disney. We used to make it like a sacrilege to come here. And just back in August, we just had a really bad experience, and we haven't been back since. But so the reason why we ended up coming here was Ryan had already had reservations for it, and he invited us to come. So of course I'm not gonna say no anytime that I can see Stitch. But yeah, it was good. We actually had really good service this time, and the food was delicious. So definitely a turnaround from last time that we were here. Oh gosh, I love that smell where they're making all the waffles. So we're in the boutique in the Polynesian downstairs, and we have this little guy, but I've never seen this one. This is so awesome. And they have another painting that I haven't seen before. This one's cute. So correct me if I'm wrong, but this set, I think we've seen in Vineland at one of the outlets. They have the cups there, but I hadn't seen any of the other dishes and stuff. And what better way to finish our little Polynesian food quest than over here at Pineapple Lanai with some Dole Whip.
Say whip.
Whip.
Say whip.
Whip.
Say whip.
He wants you to say whip.
Whip.
You say whip.
You're supposed to ask me to say Dole Whip.
Dole Whip.
You're supposed to say whip, whip. And then I say, then you say Dole Whip. And then I say Dole Whip. Obviously you've never seen Family Guy. So have you guys ever noticed that when they serve Dole Whip, they serve in a spiral fashion? It's because they're cheating. Look at all that cavity that's in there of non-Dole Whip filled Dole Whip. It's their way of saving a couple cents. Such a scam. Alright guys, so that being done and said, we've finished our
No, dum-dum, you're supposed to do it.
That's gonna make the video. We've eaten at Ohana. We've had some pineapple lanai Dole Whip. Sorry, Dole Whip. So with that being said, guys, I'll see you guys in the future.
Aloha.
Oh yeah, aloha means hello and goodbye. So aloha, guys.